Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cut on CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So in order to show this process I created this brand new project, imported some videos, and what do we need to cut our objects like text, audio or video, it doesn't matter because we can deal with every single object on our timeline here. So all we need is just to choose a necessary project, for example this one. And what if we need to fit it, for example, to this transition? All we need is just to click on the end and then just move to the necessary position. As you can see, it looks like this. It's pretty easy. So we can cut out the end or cut out the beginning. So as you can see, we can do it easily. And what if we need to split our video into two different, we need to find the position we need to split, for example here, move our tracker here, and then just click on split on this icon in the left top of the timeline, or just Command+B, as for me this is our shortcut. So after that our video was split into two different, so now we can just delete the unnecessary, for example. So these are two options of how can we cut in CapCut PC. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.